Hi guys! Today we're going to check how to see if your account is shadow banned on X Twitter. So, first of all, open your X app on your phone. If you feel like your engagement suddenly dropped or your posts aren't appearing in searches, then honestly, this method will help you confirm it. Just open the app normally like you always do, and we'll begin from there. Now, if you want to properly check for a shadow ban, you need to log out of your current account first. This step is very important because you can't accurately test it while logged in. So, tap on your profile icon, go to Settings, and log out of your account. Don't worry, we'll log back in later. After logging out, you now need to use a different account. It could be your second account or even a friend's account. That's totally fine. The reason we're doing this is because shadow bans usually hide your profile from other users, not from yourself. So log in with another account to test properly. Once you're inside the second account, look at the bottom right side of your screen. You'll see the search icon there. Tap on it because this is where we're going to check if your username appears publicly or not. This step is where the real check happens. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type the exact username of the account you want to check. Make sure you spell it correctly because even a small mistake can give the wrong result. So carefully type your username and wait for the results to load. Here's the final and most important part. Look at the search results. If your username does not appear at all, even after typing it correctly, then unfortunately, your account may be shadow banned. But if your username shows up normally, then relax. Your account is not shadow banned. So that's how you can easily check if your X account is shadow banned or not. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below if you want more helpful tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.